Chapter 8, Tutorial 2. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the name c08tut2. Create a sketch. Select the XY plane. Select the rectangle tool. Select from center method. Enter the width as 100 mm. Height as 60 mm. Angle 0. Decrease the dimension text size. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Start distance 0, end distance 10 mm. OK. Hide the sketch. Now select the pocket tool. Right pocket in the command search window. Select pocket. Select the rectangular pocket. Select the front face of the base feature created. Now for horizontal direction, select the top edge of the same feature. Now the rectangular pocket dimensions we need to enter. Enter 60 in the length. Enter 4 in the width. Enter 60 in the depth. The corner radius, floor radius and taper angle all set to 0. Choose OK. Positioning dialog box has opened. Now select the perpendicular positioning. Now select the edge which measures 10 mm and the vertical center line of the pocket. In the create expression, enter 50 as the dimension. Choose OK. Now again choose perpendicular from the positioning. Select the bottom edge and the horizontal center line. Enter 2 in the create expression dialog box. Click OK. Now choose OK twice. Our rectangular pocket has been created. Now creating the rectangular pad feature. Enter pad in command search finder. Select the pad. Select rectangular pad. Select the top face of the base feature. Horizontal reference, select the edge which measures 100 mm and enter 40 in the length, 10 mm in the width and 40 mm in the height. Corner radius 0, taper angle 0. Say OK. Now select perpendicular from the positioning dialog box. Select the base feature which measures 60 mm and the pad feature which measures 10 mm and enter 30 in the create expression dialog box. Say OK. Once again select perpendicular and select the 100 mm edge and the 40 mm edge of the pad feature and enter 40 mm as the create expression. Say OK. Now click OK. Our rectangular pad has been created. Now select edge blend, enter 20 mm in the radius 1 and select the top two 10 mm edges. Select apply and choose OK. Now create the draft feature. Select tangent to face in the draft feature. To specify the vector, select the Z axis. Select the blended tangent face and enter angle 20 degree. Both the tangent faces has been drafted. Select apply button and select cancel button. Now select the pocket tool. Select the cylindrical pocket. Select the front face of the rectangular feature. Pocket diameter 15 mm. 10 mm in the depth. Floor radius and taper angle set to 0. Choose OK. From the positioning dialog box, select point onto point. Select point onto point. Select the edge of the edge blend. Then the set arc position. Select the arc center. Next, select the preview of the cylindrical pocket. In the set arc position, select arc center. Cylindrical pocket has been created. Cancel the dialog box. Now select mirror feature. To select the features to mirror, Press and hold the control button. Select the rectangular pad, edge blend, draft and cylindrical pocket. Select the existing plane in the mirror plane and select the XZ plane as the mirroring plane. Next choose apply. Cancel the mirror feature dialog box. Now create the counterbore hole feature on the base feature. Select the hole tool. Select the counterbored hole. Place a point and to specify the location, select the sketch section. Edit this dimension to 10 mm as well as this dimension to 10 mm. Finish the sketch. Enter 12 mm as the hole diameter. Enter 12 mm in the counterbore diameter. 3 mm in the counterbore depth. And 8 mm in the diameter. And in the limit dialog box value, enter the hole depth as 10 mm. Tip angle 0. Select subtract in the boolean operation. Choose OK. Create the linear pattern of the hole feature. Create pattern feature. Select the counter hole feature from the part navigator and select the linear layout in the pattern definition. In the direction 1, select the specify vector. Select the base feature which measures 100 mm. Select count and pitch. Enter the count as 2 mm and pitch distance -80. Next we need to use the direction 2. Select use direction 2. Select specify vector. Select the base feature which measures 60 mm edge. Enter 2 in the count and 40 mm in the pitch distance. Choose reverse direction. Now choose OK in the dialog box. Orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File close all parts. This completes chapter 8 tutorial 2.